With Redmond's mix of rainy winters, mild summers, and lush Pacific Northwest scenery, homeowners are always looking for ways to improve comfort, reduce maintenance, and boost energy efficiency. One upgrade that continues to gain popularity is the installation of vinyl windows. Known for their durability, cost-effectiveness, and excellent insulation, vinyl windows offer long-lasting benefits that fit perfectly with the needs of Redmond households. Whether you live in an older home that needs modernizing or a newer property in need of performance upgrades, vinyl windows provide a practical and attractive solution. Here's why so many Redmond homeowners are making the switch. Exceptional energy efficiency for Redmond's climate. Energy efficiency is one of the biggest advantages of vinyl windows, and it's especially important in Redmond, where cool, rainy months can lead to higher heating bills if your windows aren't properly insulated. Modern vinyl windows are built with multi-chambered frames that naturally resist heat transfer. Combined with double or triple pane glass, argon gas fills, and low-E coatings, these features help keep your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. With improved insulation, Redmond homeowners enjoy fewer drafts, more stable indoor temperatures, reduced strain on HVAC systems, lower monthly energy bills over time. These savings can make vinyl windows one of the most cost-effective home upgrades available. Low maintenance and long-lasting durability. The Pacific Northwest moisture-rich climate can be tough on certain window materials, especially wood, which can rot, warp, or swell over time. Vinyl, however, is naturally resistant to moisture, meaning it won't crack, peel, or fade even after years of exposure to Redmond's frequent rain. Vinyl windows require almost no maintenance. A simple wipe down with soap and water is all it takes to keep them looking like new. This is a major advantage for busy Redmond homeowners who want long-lasting beauty without the constant upkeep. Affordable without sacrificing quality. Another reason vinyl windows are so popular in Redmond is their affordability. Vinyl is one of the most cost-effective window materials on the market, offering high energy performance and longevity at a fraction of the cost of wood or fiberglass. This makes vinyl windows a smart choice for homeowners planning whole-house window replacement, families looking for long-term value, first-time buyers updating an older Redmond home, sellers wanting to boost property value affordably despite their lower cost. Modern vinyl windows come with a long list of premium features and styles, ensuring that homeowners don't have to compromise on quality. Noise reduction for peaceful living. Redmond is home to active neighborhoods, busy streets, and nearby business hubs. Vinyl windows help block unwanted noise thanks to their multi-pane construction and insulated frames. Whether you work from home, have young children, or simply appreciate a quieter environment, vinyl windows significantly enhance indoor comfort. Stylish options to complement any Redmond home. Today's vinyl windows are available in a wide range of colors, finishes, and styles, from double hung and casement to sliders and picture windows. Whether you live in a contemporary home near Education Hill, a classic property in downtown Redmond, or a new build in Overlake, there's a vinyl window design that fits your aesthetic perfectly. Some popular features include custom grid patterns, wood look finishes, modern frame profiles, large glass areas for enhanced views. Vinyl windows not only improve performance but also elevate your home's appearance inside and out. Increased home value and long-term ROI. Replacing old windows with vinyl models is one of the highest return home improvements you can make. Buyers in Redmond look for energy-efficient, low-maintenance upgrades, and vinyl windows rank high on their list. Benefits include higher resale value, better curb appeal, improved home inspection outcomes. For homeowners focused on long-term investment, vinyl windows provide dependable performance and strong financial returns. Final thoughts for Redmond homeowners. Vinyl windows offer the perfect balance of energy efficiency, durability, affordability, and style. Designed to handle the region's rainy climate and improve indoor comfort year-round, vinyl windows are an upgrade that pays off immediately and continues delivering value for decades. If you're ready to boost your home's comfort and performance, vinyl window replacement is a smart, cost-effective step that transforms both the look and feel of your Redmond home.